Meigs County Railroad here with you today. I'm really lucky. I had to get a filling put in today in my dentist office, just right here at this perfect railroad crossing, just right here at the Athens hospital. And I hear a train a-coming. It'll be here in just a minute, so stand by, friends and neighbors. He's just around the corner, friends and neighbors. I'm gonna try to back up and get out of the wind just a little bit. We're on my phone today, sorry about that. This is the northbound Norfolk Southern, Athens, Tennessee. Looks like we got another intermodal train. Sorry, my mouth's still numb from that filling. See if you can spot them articulated well cars. If you can't, go back and watch the video I made. Right there's one. Just 2 wheels on each end instead of 4. Always going nice and slow so you can see them. That wind's picking up. I hope you're not hearing it. Trying to stand beside my trucks to block it. I know JB's really getting into this intermodal. There goes old Swifty Swift. That keeps him out of the ditch that way. Oh, this one wasn't too long. That's pretty good though. Got a red Fred on the end. He can't go too fast. That maintenance truck was just a little bit ahead of him. So at least I got a little bit of railroad action here for you today. Meigs County Railroad. Y'all hit that like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Tell me what you think about it. Where you watching from. That wind's getting cold. I'm signing off. Bye.